And it's time to do the front side.
The front side.
Yay!
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 Great. So how many more do you need? Let me just keep cutting them.
Several.
Several. Well, this is 35 and a half. Huh?
I said, there you go. Perfect.
So last piece of siding on the front.
Nope.
And then we have to put in like a filler piece on the right hand side. Oh, we gotta do a little tiny piece across the top.
Nope.
get the chickens out just to get some grass. That is Crow Crow. He was the very first rooster that we had that crowed. And that is Wanda. And Gandalf is watching them. This is Snowshoe. And one of the Mr. Clean boys. And this one's called Bully. She was a big bully when she was a baby. I thought it was a rooster, actually, when she was just a little tiny chick, because she was so bossy. And then the big rooster is Dandy, and this little tiny gray rooster is Foot Rooster, because he's always by my foot. And that hen right there is Lily. Gandalf scared him. Arthur's over here watching too. Oh, Morgana's over there too, with Rosie. Hi, Morganan! Hi, Mr. Morganan! How are you? There's Rosie, our Polish hen. She's always surprised. She's with Snowshoe. Hi, Gandalf. How are you? Anyway, the chickens have been having a good day. They're kind of making their way back to bed now. Dandy, you got a bare butt. You need to grow some feathers, dude. Oh, Snowshoe's after Wanda. Wanda ain't having it. So we're starting rafters. Looks really cute. Look how cute it is. It's such a cute little building.
Yep.
We got a 6-inch overhang here, and then 9.5 on the front and the back.
Yeah. Something like that.
So, yeah. Roof rafters. Hey, I found your tape measure.
Yeah.
It's right there. We got the siding on the front, and we just filled in over here at the bottom and on the side. This is pretty much going to all be covered with trim anyway, so there's no sense in running full-size sheets all the way across and then cutting big chunks out. So yeah, and then the little chicken door is going to go down here. We really should have done that hole today.
Well, either way, we'll get it. It's one hole, we'll get it.
One hole.
We've got the manual tools.
Yes.
So what's crazy is, with our ground, the power tools don't work well enough. Like, we've got a post hole digger on the tractor.
We have that right there.
Yeah. Doesn't work well
That's
enough.
where it stays.
Yeah.
Which we need to move it too.
Yeah. And then
It works if the ground's really wet.
we
Like right
bought
now
a-
it would work.
we bought a 2-person
That would work
post hole
right here.
digger, but it usually gets maybe the first foot. If
2
you're lucky.
feet.
Yeah, maybe the first foot normally, and then the rest of it just have to do by hand. So at this point, I'm like, yeah, we'll just do it by hand.
We only have one to do, so
Yeah, we just gotta do one right here, then we'll be good.
one right there. Right
Right
Dandy cracks me up.
there.
La la
Pretty
la
much
la
where the
la.
cord's at.
La
unfortunately, that
la
cord's
la
gonna get
la
destroyed.
la la. Well, that cord's not going to be there when we dig the hole.
So you think?
All right. Well, I am going to go throw them some scratch to try to lure them back in, and then we can feed the kitties and
Go in.
Go in.
Clean up ourselves.
eat and watch another movie.
Yes. Another
Yep.
movie. The Jets.
Yes.
That should give you a good clue.
It's Maverick.
Yep.
Over and out.
Over now. Roger 10-4, good buddy.
Hi, little mama. Bindi had babies yesterday. Yeah. Benjamin's had babies yesterday. Hi. Hi, should we go see your babies? Yeah, let's go see your babies. Yeah. Here, let me put you down. There they are. 4 little babies. There they are, 4 little babies. Yeah, it's not gonna hurt you, honey. It's not gonna hurt you. It's just a camera. Yeah. It's just a camera. Hi. Yeah. She's a good mama too. So 3 little tiger kitties and a little tiny black kitty. Right here. There's a little black one. Look how cute. Look at the little black one. She had them in this basket in the cat shed, and we didn't want to leave them in there. So we brought them into the studio. We've been keeping her in here with them. And letting her out so she can get some sunshine and fresh air, but come back to her little babies. They're just so cute. Yeah. They're so quiet too, so she's feeding them good. The fat little bellies. Yeah, fat little bellies. Good girl, Bindi. Good girl, mama. Yeah. She's underneath the what do you call this thing? The teeter. Yeah. Yeah, we got you under the teeter, huh? Yeah. Got yourself all cleaned up and everything. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Oh, goodness. She doesn't like other cats coming in here now, though, so it's a good thing it's cool enough outside because nobody else gets to come in and enjoy the air conditioning. We have it set at like 85. 85? Yeah. So it's not... Wow, wow, wow. It's not too super cold in here. It's just cooler than outside. Yeah. And she's got her litter pan and her food and her water, but we let her out to be with the other kitties. Are you pacing? Yeah, I'm gonna go feed the other kitties, okay? Yeah, you're a good mama. You're taking really good care of your babies. Yes, you are.